Hello everyone, welcome back. I have some exciting today I have some exciting and slightly technical for you. Yes, we are going to create the image downloading website using the pixabay APIs. Now you will be wondering that how it is possible using the WordPress CMS. Yes, it's possible because the WordPress itself provides various ways to fetch the external APIs, okay, like REST APIs and so on. The method which I have used here is the plugin method, where I have just customized and developed the plugin, make the functionalities to work on the pixabay API, added the pixabay API keys, and here is the result. Okay, so using using this technique, we can fetch the data from the APIs, okay, whether it is a free or paid. Currently we are using the pixabay's free API to fetch all of these images. Okay, so just stick to the video till that, and let me first introduce you some features and functionalities of this website, and later we'll just jump to our dashboard and we'll start our tutorial. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, this is the basic thing, which is the navigation, and we'll see the logo, the profile pic, the username, logo button, and here is the slider. So this is the basically the select slider. Okay, every images you will see here the editor's choice. We can set the category, okay, number of columns you will see here the 5. We can set 5, 4, or so on, whatever you want. Okay, and the most importantly, these images are fetching dynamically from the API. Okay, I will completely show you the guide you how you can customize the plugin, okay, accordingly, so that you can also change the UI of this slider and etc. Okay, just below you will see the search bar. Okay, so this is also implemented from the pixabay API. Let me just search something like a flower. Okay, click on search, and all the images related for will be displayed here, which is dynamically. Click on load more button, it will load more the images as you want. Okay, also we have some extra filters. Let me just remove this. So we can filter the wallpapers by categories, by colors, and by type. So let me show you by for categories. So let's select the people, okay, the religion. Okay, now let's try by the colors. Grayscale, green, yellow, and this is the type, all photo, illustration, or vector. Click on illustration, vector. So isn't it cool? All the things are happening dynamically, so no need to store anywhere anything. Now let me show you the detail page for this wallpaper. So click on any one of the images. So this is basically a model. Instead of creating the page, I have preferred to show it on the model, and these are the field of some details of the particular image, and along with you will see two buttons, the add to favorites and download image. You can store this add to favorites. So let me show you. So basically it is functioning like it will store the image using the local storage of your browser, okay, instead of the meta field of the any user. And this is a download image. So let's download this image. You can right click and just save this image. Okay, and here So this is basically working on the local storage, and this is from the user's meta to track the download images. Okay, so let me show you how it works. So currently we just added into favorites and download the image. Now here you will see the user profile. This is the image and this is the username. So click on this username. We will have this dashboard where you can see the my downloads. Currently we have downloaded this image. Will show here. This is the my subscriptions. So the function of this section is that. So the functioning of this section is like that. When you will download, it will track from the backend, and once you reach your limit, it will show you don't have enough credits or the image left to download today. The next day it will get reset automatically. Okay, and this is also a plugin which is developed by me. Okay, I just forgot to add the shortcut in this my favorite, so I will show you at the time of tutorial. Go to home. I have just introduced you this website. Okay, the functionalities. Now let me show you its user registration pages. So I will first open this website in the incognito mode because I already registered on the website, so it will not show the pages. So we have some different menus over here: the login and the register. If the user is not login, they will show these buttons, otherwise it will not show. So click on the login button, and here we have login registration page. Okay, if you enter this email on the password and login, it will log you into the website. Okay, also you can reset your password from here, and if you are the new user, then click on register. You will see a different form having some extra fields like this. Okay, if you don't want to register and want to explore, then click on this continue to website. Okay, so this is the website of our tutorial which we are going to build from the scratch. So it will be a very quick tutorial, okay, because we have I have already developed all the plugins ready for you. I will simply design this front end, just place the content here. Okay, it means I will only use the shortcuts to fetch everything. Okay, we'll create some header, the footer, and the necessary things that is the part of the WordPress. Okay, so I hope you understand. Now without wasting without further delay, we'll just move to our dashboard and start the tutorial. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, now we are inside our WordPress dashboard. First of all, let's install our basic theme. Go to appearance, themes, and click on add new theme and search for Ocean WP. Click on install, and activate it. Okay, now let's install the plugin one by one. Click on add new plugin. First we need Elementor. So despite this Elementor plugin, I have some customized plugin, so we have to just add the one more plugin which is Pro Elements, and the rest of the plugins will upload one by one, which will make the website functional. Okay, close this. Now let's install the Pro Elements for the Elementor to unlock all the Pro features. So click on upload. So basically you can track the latest version of this Pro Elements from its official website. Okay, so you can just update it. This Pro Elements updates frequently. Okay, you can You can just update it from here or just download from the website. Now so let's add some pages. We'll add first home page. Change template to Elementor full width. Okay, now close this. We'll start from the header. So for that, let's create our menu first. Give a name to this menu, which is main menu. I will add page which is home, and okay, so basically see here, let's open our previous website. So here this could be our first menu. Okay, we are only showing this home navigation item, and the second we have this login and register and profile menu over here. Okay, with the profile picture. So this will be for first main menu. We'll create the secondary menu. Let's save this menu first. Create on new. I will give it name a login menu. Okay, so basically where we are going to show the login, register and user profile on this menu. Okay, so I will add the items ladder. Let's configure first the main menu. Okay, so let's start from the header. Go to templates, theme builder. You can use Elementor's header and footer builder as well. So I will use this header builder. Don't want any template. Okay, now search for the container and just place here. Here select the container and again add the container. Okay, select this main container. Now you will see here the boxed version, and this is full width. Okay, so we are going to use here the boxed, and the maximum width for this is 1400, which is px value. Okay, also we have to add 3 columns, first for the first menu, second for the logo, and the third for the login and register and the user profile menu items. So let's make its direction to horizontal and duplicate this column 3 times. Okay, we'll add the first menu here, the WordPress menu. So select the main menu. Okay, now let's design this menu item. So go to style. The text color would be the black. Okay, like this. I will add as a text color. Okay, under this hover, first set the animation. This is the pointer, set to the background. Okay, go to style, under this hover and change the pointer color to a primary color. So my primary color is, so this is the primary color. Okay, copy this hex code and just paste here. I will add it as a primary color. Click on create. Now make 100 px for the border radius. Now go to active, set the text color to white. Let's add a white color. Also change pointer color to our main primary color. Okay. Next we have to add the logo. Search for site logo. Click on save changes and reload the website. So this is our logo. Now on the right hand side we have to just add these two menus. So these two things will come from the third party plugin, which is Ultimate Member. Okay. Let's just check our website. Okay, so here we have to set some things. Okay, so we have to change some settings from this customize. First set the home page. Next, under this header, okay, top bar, just disable this top bar. Okay, and inside the pages we have to remove this title, pages and style here. Okay, click on publish. Click on publish, add the condition, and you have to set this header for whole website. So click on the entire site, save and close. Now let's take the preview of our website. Okay, so next we have to add the two navigation buttons, the login and register. So for that we have to just install the Ultimate plugin. Okay, search for Ultimate Member. So here is Ultimate Member, click on install now. Here login page. So I will not design this page from the scratch. I will simply upload the template, and if you want to download this template, I will put the link inside the website. Okay, so you can easily download this template for this register and login pages. Okay, click on activate. Now let's set up this Ultimate Member. Go to forms, and then first let's create the pages. So go to inside the settings. Now from here we want the login page, register page, logout page, and password reset page. If you want more any of these pages, then you can also add like user page, member page, or account page. Okay, click on save changes. Now explore these pages. You will see the list of the user registration pages over here like this. Okay, so I am not going to edit these pages. I will show you. I will directly set up these forms. So under this Ultimate Member, go to forms, and under this login page. So simply I will make some changes here. Customize this form, yes. Show inside text field. Secondary button, we don't have the secondary button. Okay, so click on no. Forget password link, yes, and remember no. and you can set this URL to the user page. Okay, so simply keep it default. Now click on this edit, just cut this and paste inside this placeholder, and that's just click on update. Similarly with it, cut and paste inside the placeholder. Now click on this update. Okay, similarly go to forms. Now this time we have to edit this registration form. Under this forms, click on registration. So here we don't want this first name, last name, we just want username, email address and password. Okay, customize this form, yes. Show inside text field, primary button, register or sign up, you can set anything over here. And here privacy policy page, if you want to show the privacy policy page, then check on yes. Okay, for now I'm going to select it as a no. Click on update. Now that's it, we have set up our two main forms. Okay, now we'll upload the template. Okay, we'll continue the tutorial. Now I will upload a template one by one, and we'll also upload the styling or the CSS for the form. Okay, so the efforts for designing or the ultimate form will be reduced. Okay, so let's add the template. Now just go inside the pages where the user registration pages generated, under these pages. Okay, and first login page, click on edit. Here is the ID is 90. Okay, click with edit with Elementor. Under this page settings, change the layout to Elementor canvas. Click on publish. Don't just publish, wait, I will just cut. Under this add template, click on my template, and here upload. So this is the login page, I will upload the login template. Click on continue, enable and import. Okay, now click on the insert. So our template is imported successfully. Now click on publish. Okay, we'll add the template for the register page as well. Okay, and then we'll add the CSS. Alright, our registered page is also ready. Now click on publish, and also this click on publish. Okay, now under this customize, we have to add some additional CSS for the form to design this content. Okay, so paste here. If you want something different styling, so the colors, or you want to change or modify the form, you can do from this. Okay, You don't need to target any classes additionally. Every elements of the UN or the classes have been targeted here, and accordingly I just modify the CSS. Okay, so just open this inside any code editor and then edit it. Okay, click on publish. Okay, now we'll check every page in the okay, it will be okay, we have to add some page linkings. So this is the login page. Okay, so internal page here by default set. I will search for the login. Okay, and this login set to type content and search for register page. Okay, and here the continue to website, which will be our main site URL. Click on publish. Now open the incognito mode and let's check our registration pages. Okay, so first login, copy the link, paste. Alright, so there are some fixes over here. Let's modify it properly. Also this button I will change its border will be 2. Okay, so let's change the border color to this, and text color. Okay, so where is text color? So where is the text color? No, this is the background color. This is text color. Okay, I will keep it as a primary color. And you will see here the ID. Our ID was 19. Okay, click on publish. Now we'll check our register page instead. Okay, so click here. So it's looking perfect. Our register page is ready. Okay, now let's move toward the login page. Set color, text color, change ID to 19. It was not 90, it was just register page. Not here. Go to ultimate member and these settings, and here is the page ID, which is 23. So type here the page ID 23. Okay, yeah, sorry, this is the register page. Go to login page. Okay, change ID to 23. Okay, now it's done. The login page is 22. Okay, and the registration page is 23. Click on publish. Click on publish. Now let's test. Let's tap this button first and we'll solve the issue. Make it transparent. Go to forms. Okay, under this login form, the form ID is 90 for both 18 and 19, sorry. For login, which is 90, and for registration is 18. Now publish, and here also. Let's refresh this page. Alright, it's working perfect. Okay, it's responsive as well. Okay, alright, so we just finished our user registration pages. Now it's time to create our menu inside our header. Okay, let's remove this. Don't worry about these templates, I will provide all the links inside my website. Okay, so just go inside the editor. Now I will simply copy here, copy and paste, and direction will be right side. Now let's create the menu for this. So go to preference. We have created almost. Go to menus and select the login menu. Here we have to add login and register. Now we have to set some conditions here for the register. Show for the logout users. Okay, and login for the logout users as well. Okay, now click on save menu. Now let's take the preview for this. Open in incognito mode, publish it. First select this login menu and publish it. Okay, click on login, will be redirected to this login page. Okay. And when you click on register, will be redirected to this register page. Again we have some additional things over here. We have a profile page, picture, and this username. So there is some logic behind it. We have to some add the visibility logics there. Okay, so we have to add one more plugin, which is okay. So let's add the profile picture and the username, which will be displayed just left of this register menu. Okay, so let me first reduce the size of this logo and justify content to center. Okay, you will see here the user profile picture and this username. Okay, so when I click on this user, it will open this user profile page. Okay, so basically this is a separate plugin. Okay, so using this you can upload your profile pic from here. Okay, so I have developed this plugin, so let's install the plugin first. So these all plugins are customized according to website need. Okay, it will not available anywhere within the WordPress marketplace. The shortcut, there is a shortcut with this profile picture plugin. Okay, so that we can show everywhere, anywhere within the website. So let's install it. First we'll take a container. Currently it is in the stack. I will change direction to row horizontal, so it will shift to the flex. Okay, so inside it I will use a shortcut. Paste. The shortcut is show profile picture. Okay, so as you can see this shortcut is not working here. Okay, so I will keep it as it is for now. We'll create a one page which is user page. Okay, here is the user. I will give it name as a user. So when a user will log in or register, it will be redirected to this page. So we'll finish this page first. Continue edit with Elementor. Okay, so we have this type of container. So let's design this user dashboard page. Okay, before that we will add conditions over here. This container is dedicated to this user profile and the username, where it will show here. Okay, so first I will give the heading just beside it to show the username. Okay, here for now I will give it as a user. To black. Currently it is static. Once we just implemented our user design our user page, I will show you how to add here. Okay, I will set the minimum height. Border radius to 15, and I will set some background image to this container. Okay, so we have this type of background image. Repeat, no repeat. Display size to cover, and it at the center. Just increase the height little bit, and let's add the background overlay, which is gradient, to black, and secondary color to okay. Now it looks good. Select this container and set bit to 1400. Okay, great. Now we have to add some text. This is welcome text. So basically it includes the dynamic text, which is username. Let me show you. Search for heading, select this, justify continuous center and bottom, make it white. So you can see it's to set to h1, and here in the same way select dynamic tag. We have to show username, user info, choose username. Okay, and under this add one, set welcome message. So it will look like this, welcome to username. Okay, select this container and give padding from bottom, it's like 50. Okay, then we have email. For this, say add a container, copy this, or will this create the okay, let's copy this, paste here. Okay. If you struggle for including any container inside the container, then just perform the task from here. Make it center, and here close this and write as email. Okay, then just duplicate it here, justify content to direction. Okay, here center, display text 400, and we have to set a dynamic text, which is web email. So under this dynamic tag, select user info, and here email. Okay, it will show this email automatically. Let's reduce the from margin from the top. Alright, now we have this edit profile button. So basically we have to add a pop-up to show the form of the profile to edit. Okay, so first we will establish or design this button. Similarly, duplicate it. Just uncheck this horizontal direction. Search for button, simple button. Okay, now let's design this button. Border is 200 px. Give it a white color, text color to be like this, and select this content container and give a padding from right and left. Okay, also reduce the padding from bottom. I will set the padding 20. Okay, and we have this profile pitch just be the center of this container. Okay, so it's easy to design this type of layout. Alright, I just forget to install one more plugin for the profile page, so that's why it's showing the show profile picture. Okay, so let me show you. So now let's add the action on this button, and then we will set our profile page picture. Okay, here let me show you the pop-up created for this profile picture is. This is the pop-up which we have to create in our website, and we have this shortcut which is user profile editor. Okay, so I will just copy this shortcut because we have installed the plugin, the related plugin already. So this is the page. Now go to template under the pop-up, add new pop-up, and here profile pop-up, give a name as a profile pop. Okay, so select this container, and here we have to adjust the pop-up width and height. Okay, so it should be center. Okay, set the animation to slide, or you can simply give the fade in and fade out, and here 0.400 which is animation duration. Okay, and we have to just remove this background overlay. So here you will see the overlay option, just click on and check. Also go to style and use some border radius if you want to add, and now search for shortcut and just paste your shortcut. We have to add one more plugin. This is now the enhance user profile picture we want to install and activate. Okay, so I will just deactivate this plugin, and we'll add the new plugin. Okay, instead this plugin just upload. This is an upgraded version of the profile picture. Okay, that supports this type of form, and also to show this user profile within one plugin. Okay, now so we have just installed this user profile editor. Okay, now every shortcut will work Let me show you. This is the form. Okay, so this is the shortcut. And where is the pop-up? This is a pop-up and paste here. Okay, so here is our form. Give it a padding. So let's make sure it's responsive. Okay, alright. So this is responsive with all the devices. Okay. Now I will publish this pop-up and add action. No, we don't need to add any actions. Just click save and close. After that, we have to add the pop-up on this button. Okay, select this button and this link dynamic text. This is pop-up. Open pop-up and search for profile pop-up or the pop-up that you have created recently. Click on publish. Okay, now let's take the preview for this page. Go to pages and this is the user page. Now click on it. So here is our pop-up. Now from here we can upload here image. Okay, so just click on choose file. Let's select an image. It will display here. Click on update. First give a name. Okay, click on update profile. Now open this and you will see our profile pic is updated. Now we have to show this profile pic just center of this here and also here. Okay, let's do that. First select now add a shortcut. Okay, directly we have one more shortcut to show the profile picture directly. Here will be show profile picture. Paste here. Okay, now go to advanced and change the position to absolute so that you can easily center this. Select it, before width, before height. Now let's add some border. Here is the border default to solid. Border is to 100. Now change border and give the border color to white. Okay, so it will look like this. Adjust the responsiveness for this user profile. Okay, click on publish. Let's check our page. Now it looks perfect. Also you will see here our profile picture is ready. Okay, and this is the user profile. So we have to make some arrangement over here. As you can see here, it's looking so weird. it's not properly adjusted here. We have to shift these navigation items to the right hand side. Okay, before that, let me show you something here. When the user is logging, okay, the login register button will be disappear automatically, but when the user is not logging, this will show as it is here. Let me show how it looks. See here, you must be logged in to view your profile picture, but we don't want to show this content area if the user is not logged in. Okay, also this. Otherwise we have to just adjust over everything from here, like here to hide this content okay, according to the user restrictions. So simply we will hide this user profile from here if the user is not logged in, so that we don't need to worry about the adjustment inside this user page. Okay, otherwise we will require to arrange everything, and simply we will remove this if the user is not logged in. Okay, for that we will use the condition, the dynamic condition for the Elementor. So I will add a plugin which is dynamic conditions. This is the dynamic condition. Click on install now and activate it. So let's adjust this header. We just install our dynamic conditions for the Elementor. Okay, now let's use this plugin. When you select this container, okay, so this is not the plugin that I was looking for. Let's install another plugin. I will first remove this plugin. We don't want this plugin. Dynamic conditions. Alright, this is the plugin that we want. Okay, dynamic visibility for Elementor. This plugin also good, but the working for this or to understand this plugin is very difficult. Okay, I feel it's easy to use, that's why I'm using this dynamic visibility for Elementor. Alright, now refresh it. Select this. Okay, first let me show you in incognito mode. So we don't want this. Okay, when the user is not logged in or not registered, select this, and here you will see a tab which is visibility. Make sure it's on or yes, click on yes, and go directly using the user and role, and here display mode, make it hide. Okay, and user role when user not logged in. Okay, so what does it mean? When it will be always hide if the user is not logged in. Okay, when the user is logged in, it will show. Let's check the preview. Now you can see it's not showing here. Okay, as long as the user will log in this website, it will show automatically. Okay, now let's adjust this header. We have to just justify the content to end. Okay, and also alignment items to center. Alright, click on publish. So here we have the user icon. Okay, alright, so you can add the logout just beside it, but right now I will keep as it is over here. Okay, we have to add the on-click functionalities on this pixabay username. So select here, under this link search for the internal link. We have to link the user page content, search for user, and here is the user. Okay, now refresh it and click on it. So we have our user dashboard. Okay, we just forget to add a name here as a click edit profile. So when you will click, you can set up your profile pic from here, also name and the last name. Okay, you will see here border bottom. This is the border bottom. Let's remove this border bottom from here. Go to customized, and here header, under general and border bottom too. Just uncheck this. Now let's check. Okay, it's gone. Okay, so we are just finished. We just finished our header. Okay, now let's move on to design our home page. So go to pages, this home page, and click edit with Elementor. So from this step, each section is easy to design and create. Simply we have to create this hero section here, and rest of things we have to add the shortcodes. Every plugin has been developed. Okay, so no need to worry about it. So next we have to decorate our design homepage. Our homepage have this nice slider. Okay, how to get this slider? First let's add a container. Set it to 1400. Give some padding like 20, and change its color, background color, something like faint gray. Okay, now we have to add a shortcode. Now from here, just be careful while doing this section, this homepage, because we have to apply and install and activate the remaining important plugins, okay, which will handle all the website functionalities. So here is the separate plugin for this widget slider. Okay, the separate plugin for this search item, and the separate plugins for this filter like categories, colors, and type. And we have the separate plugin for this pixabay gallery. Okay, so let's do this one by one. We'll copy this editor's choice, just add a text, center it, let's change the color, text color. Okay, now we will install a plugin. Okay, so now we have to add one plugin for this to show the slider. So it's included inside the Pixabay gallery plugin. Okay, so let's upload and install. Click on add new and upload. This is the Pixabay gallery. Just install it and activate. That's it. Okay, so go to this home page and here this is the shortcut for the slider. Okay, where we can set additional filtering options like limit, columns, autoplay, speed, arrows, etc. So let's add it. Search for the shortcut widget first and paste code here. So it will show something like this in this environment, but when you publish, then let's take the preview. Okay, so it's showing perfectly. When you click on it, our model is also working well. Okay, so isn't it cool that added the plugin and everything is working fine? So that's why I did for this website. Okay, so you can get all of this for free. You can customize the plugins according to your requirement and everything is working fine. Okay, now we will what we left, let's me open this option. Okay, so let's add this text and then we'll add this search bar. So here add a container, set its size width to 1400. Again add the container. Okay, now search for heading. Change color to text color and shift this to center. Let's make it bigger. Okay, we have this search bar. So let's install the plugin. Or it's actually included within the Pixabay gallery plugin. So let's add the shortcut. We'll try it first adding the shortcut. Here is the search bar. So the shortcut is Pixabay search bar. Shortcut. So here is our search bar. Okay, click on publish. Let's reduce the size of this search bar. We'll make it viewport width 50%. Okay, sorry, 50 VH viewport width, and also align items to center. Now it looks good. Okay, we'll keep it this text as it is. We'll fix it later. That's not the big issue. Okay, we have our search bar. Okay, so what's next? So we have 3 filter categories: categories, colors, and type. Let's add the container. Again, add a container so that we can create 3 columns. Let's add first filter by categories. I will shift this text to left and we'll reduce the size as well to okay. Let's add the shortcode to show the categories. The shortcode is pixabay categories. Okay, now duplicate this 2 times. So in the second we have filter by colors. The shortcut is pixabay colors. And the third one is types. And the shortcode is pixabay types. Okay, now click on publish and let's take the preview. So we have our filter buttons. Okay, now we have to add the gallery where all the wallpapers will be displayed in a grid. So just copy any shortcode from here and add a container. Give it width to 1400 and again add the container and paste here. To show the gallery we have one filter, one gallery which is pixabay gallery. Click on publish and let's take the preview. That's it. Okay, so our wallpapers are ready. You can filter out by this color, by categories, by types, whatever you want. Now if you observe that when I download image, it's downloading directly, okay, without any restrictions, without even showing the download limitations. Okay, just like this. When I click on download image, it says download successful. Okay, and when we go inside this user page, we can see here my subscription under 6 out of 7 downloads remaining for today. Okay, so we have a different plugin for these functionalities. So for that we have to configure our user page we have to add some content like my downloads, my favorites, and my subscriptions. Okay, so here is the user page, and click on Edit with Elementor. So let's change its name, which is Edit Profile. To add that kind of tabs, we will use tabs widget. Under the add-ons, let's select some margin from top. Let's add one more container. Okay, copy. And paste inside this container. Okay, now we have these tabs, so let's design it. So the first tab is my downloads, second tab is my favorites, the third one is my subscription, go to style and add some border radius. Okay, and here the titles, tabs. So background color is okay, we have to add some hover color, also the active color, and we have to change the typography. Okay, that's great. I think we just added more margin from top. Still we need okay, 30 is fine. So in the first my download section, we have to add the shortcut for this my download tab. The shortcut is, I will copy shortcuts from here. Okay, but you don't worry, I will put all the shortcuts in a block section where you can copy downloaded images. So I think we haven't installed the required plugin, so let's check if it's working or not. Select shortcode and paste. Okay, that's it. We didn't install the required plugin, so no worry, click on add new plugin and upload the plugin. We will install every plugin from here. Okay, first download Recal, and again second one, and which is the final one, download logger. Okay, now activate this plugin. So I hope it should work. Click on publish and let's check. Okay, it's showing no download images found. Okay, also we'll add inside the my favorites. The shortcut for the my favorites are this pixabay favorites. Similarly, add a shortcode So here we will see favorite images. Okay, now under this my sufficient, add a shortcode and just copy the shortcode from here. This is the shortcode. And paste here. Reduce its width, or let's add the container, one more container. And make it percentage. Let's add the background color, or okay, so and also the border to 10. Okay, so it's look perfect. Now let's take the preview. And this is my sufficient. So let me show you one more thing. When you enter in this dashboard, you will see this download tracker. So basically it will control the limitations of the download images per user. So how it works. Currently it is set to limit, which is 10. When user will download the 10 images, it will show your limit will be reset by tomorrow. Okay, so it's on the daily basis updation of this limit. Despite we can also change the limits like 10, or you can set to 15. Okay, and also we can just reset this limit or count. Let's click on count. It will show 0, means the user now can download the images from the 0. Okay, so in this way you can just watch every user and their download limitations. So now let me show you the features and functionalities, how it is really working or not. So let's open this image. I will add to favorite, download image. Okay, it's get downloaded. Now let's see the user page. Here is the my download, my favorite, and you will see here you have 9 out of 10 downloads remaining for the today. Okay, and the thing, if it comes to designing, you can just modify this plugin by doing some customizations. I will show you how to do that in few minutes. Okay, and also every template that featuring the UI you can customize. So we just end up with this front end. Now we'll create this nice footer. So let's design that footer. Go to dashboard. Again I will use the same, which is theme builder, to create the footer. Here is the footer. Click on add new. Close this. Okay, now add a container. Again add container. Select this main container and then give it a width to 1400, which is our standard or the custom width. Okay, now we have 3 columns. 4 columns: first, second, third and fourth. So like this, the direction must be row horizontal. Let's add some color behind it. Add it the padding first. Basically we have to play around this container, okay, not this bigger container. Okay, so let's give it a background color. And border, I give it this time 15. And we have to add the logo here, okay. This time we have to add the white logo, so I will simply add an image. We had already uploaded it previously. Reduce its size, shift this to left, and we have some text below it. I will copy this text from here. Change its color to white, and px value to rem also set it to like this. 1.7 is perfect, okay. Now duplicate this container. Alright, we actually need to add one more container inside, okay. Shape this inside this container. Now duplicate this and change the direction to row horizontal. Okay, remove this. We have to add some legal pages, which is quick links. Search for header quick links, okay. Change color to white. Now let's create the menu for the privacy. Create menu. Here is the policy link, create, okay. So first we have privacy policy disclaimer, no sorry, okay. We have some like a home, categories, trending and blog. Okay, we'll create these pages first. Privacy policy disclaimer. I will use quick links. You can add your rival pages, okay. Privacy policy disclaimer, TNC and contact us. You can modify these pages by your own. Okay, so our policy links menu is ready. Now create the next menu, which is quick links. Where we have pages like home, then we have categories, trending and blog. And blog, okay. Click on save. Publish this footer for entire website and refresh it, okay. So what I will do, I will simply do one thing here. I will copy the headers menu. Copy it. Paste here. Here change layout to vertical, and this go to style, over to invert this color to primary color and pointer color to white, and also normal white. Okay, okay. Now replace the menu which is quick links, and I will adjust the padding. Okay, that's it. Click on duplicate, and again reduce this. This as well, 51 and 51. Increase the logo size. So here we have policy links. Change to policy links. Okay, and here we have stay connected, which is social media links. I will use the default widget for the social media, social icons. Set columns to 1, shift to left hand side. Okay, go to and adjust the style. Under the style, adjust the spacing, row gap. That's it. So our nice footer is ready. Click on publish. Let's take the preview. So this is all about the pixabay wallpaper downloading website using API. This could be the very interesting tutorial for the many technical people. Okay, so because of the lot of customization, we had to work on the plugins to make it according to your website. Okay, now we just ended this UI designing for the front end. Now I will show you how to customize these plugins from the cPanel. Okay, so it could be a very important part for any technical doubts. Okay, so you can either use the file manager from the WordPress, or you can simply log into your cPanel and just access the file manager under the domain. You can modify easily. Okay, so let's enter into the file manager from the cPanel. Okay, we'll enter into the file manager. Just log in into cPanel, and here is the file manager. Okay, and locate your website. Now from here, just locate the WP content under these plugins. Now you will see the plugins we have just installed in our website. Now here let's modify this pixabay gallery. Okay, which is responsible for showing this gallery. Okay, this category, search bar, and this slider as well. Now right click on it and just open. So you will see some any constructors for the templates, okay, shortcuts here, as you can see, okay, and every paths assigned for the every template, some cache plugin cache functionalities, slider functionalities, okay, some script and styling enqueue. So every important data you can see here inside this main plugin, okay. And go to templates. You can customize the CSS from this here. This is a select slider, as I have already told you at the start of the tutorial. We are using this select slider. You can modify this CSS from here, okay. If you click on the edit, you will see every color or the styling of every part of this slider, okay. Then you can customize the style.css from here. Just locate the appropriate class names, then you can easily customize from here, okay. So there is nothing to explain more on it, okay. If you want to understand this code, then you can study by your own way, okay. Similarly, you can customize every from here, okay. Just I want to show you here the download tracker. Here is the some by default value, which is 10, okay. But there is no need to manipulate this data content, because it's dynamically connected with the admin, so you can simply change from the admin, okay. If you are good at this or you are expert in this PHP, then you can just manipulate the things, otherwise keep it as it is, okay. Okay, that's it. So in this way you can just customize the plugins from this panel. So this was the tutorial for this great and innovative, or you can say interesting content downloading website. By adding more features, you can improve its features and functionalities, okay. So I hope you understand the video tutorial and enjoyed this tutorial a lot, okay. And I assume that you are learning a lot from my video tutorials, okay. So in this way I will bring more the useful information or the creative website ideas with the full tutorial, okay. So that was for today's video tutorial. I'll be back with another interesting tutorial, okay. Goodbye, take care.